egg fried rice. Quick, easy fried rice with egg, no fail recipe. The rice will be golden yellow and fluffy. It's super easy to make with only 3 basic ingredients. Chop the scallions into small pieces. Separate the white and green part. Mix egg with bowl of warmed rice. By adding egg to the rice, when stir-fried, the egg will create a coating on the rice to give it the golden fluffy texture, preventing soggy, mushy rice, I promise. Heat a pan over medium to high heat and add oil. Add the white scallions and stir-fry for a few seconds. Add egg mixture and stir-fry for 3 to 5 minutes or until the rice is golden. Best part about this recipe is that it works with almost any rice, leftover or freshly cooked rice, as long as it's warmed so the rice can absorb the egg when mixed. Make space and add soy sauce to give it a roasted flavor. It's better to add the sauce to the pan and not on the rice directly to avoid making the rice soggy. Make space and add oyster sauce to give it a deeper flavor. You can add just salt and pepper instead of the sauces, and it would still taste delicious. Add the green scallions and mix. Add butter if you like the buttery flavor. And now, enjoy!